Proactive English practice.
Hi, one hot dog, please. I am waiting in the bus stop.
At the bus stop. We say at, not in.
At? What's the difference?
At is for a specific point. A bus stop, a station, a door.
And in?
In is for inside something. In a room, in a building.
So I'm at the bus stop, but on the bus.
Exactly. You're standing at the stop. Later you'll be on the bus.
At the bus stop, on the bus. Got it.
Mustard or ketchup on your hot dog?
Both. I'm very hungry.
Waiting for the number 7?
Yes, it goes to City Center, right?
Every 15 minutes. Should be here soon.
Thank you. This hot dog is really good.
Best hot dogs at this bus stop.
At this bus stop. I'll remember now.
Here comes your bus.
Perfect timing. Thank you.
Hello. I want to send this box, but it's very heavily.
Very heavy. Heavy describes the box. Heavily is for actions.
Heavy? Not heavily?
Heavy describes a thing. Heavily describes an action.
An action? Like what?
It is raining heavily. But the box is heavy.
Oh, I understand now. This box is very heavy.
Let me weigh it. 3 kilos.
Is that too heavy for regular mail?
No, the limit is 20 kilos. You're fine.
Good. I'm sending it to my mom.
Where does she live?
Far away, another country.
International mail. It'll take about a week.
A week? That's fast.
What's inside? I need to write it on the form.
Chocolates, photos, and a scarf I made.
You made a scarf? That's sweet.
She misses us. This will make her happy.
Total is $14. Your mom will love it.
Hello. How many is the ticket to the city center?
How much? How much is for prices.
How much? Not how many?
How much for uncountable things and prices. How many for countable things.
So, how much is the ticket?
$3.50.
And how many stops to the city center?
5 stops. See? How many for stops? You can count stops.
How much for money? How many for things I can count?
Perfect. One way or return?
Return, please. How much for a return ticket?
$6. You save $1.
Great, here.
You're getting better at English.
I'm trying. My wife and I practice every day.
Keep going. Platform 2. 5 stops.
How much? How many? I'll remember.
Have a nice trip.
Hello. Cut me hair shorter, please. cut my hair. My shows it belongs to you. My hair? Not me hair? Me is the object. My means it's yours. Cut my hair. My hair. Got it. How short? Short on the sides. A little longer on top. Classic style. You'll look great. Not too short. My wife gets angry if it's too short. My wife says the same thing. It's a universal rule. Don't make the wife angry. So medium short, nice and clean. Yes, and my beard? Can you trim my beard too? My beard. See? You used it correctly. I did. My hair, my beard. My English is improving. It is. Here, take a look. Oh, that looks really good. Not too short? Perfect. My wife will be happy. That's $15. And a free grammar lesson.
Hi, I want these flowers for my balcony.
These flowers. This is for one thing. These is for many.
Oh, these flowers. Because there are many.
Exactly. This flower, these flowers.
These flowers are beautiful. What are they?
Petunias. They love sunlight.
My balcony gets sun all morning.
Then petunias are perfect for you.
How often do I water them?
Every 2 days. Don't give them too much water.
Every 2 days. I'll remember.
Do you want this pot or these bigger ones?
This pot is nice, but these bigger ones are better.
You used both correctly. Well done.
I'm practicing.
3 petunias in the big pot, $12.
I'll take them. These flowers will make our balcony beautiful.
Come back if you need more. We have new flowers every week.
Thank you. I love these.
This park is so nice. Everybody are very busy here.
Everybody is busy, not are.
Is? But there are many people.
I know, but everybody uses is, like he or she.
Everybody is busy. Even though it means many people?
Yes, same with everyone, someone, nobody. All use is.
Everyone is here. Someone is singing. Nobody is sad.
Perfect, you got it.
This coffee is really good.
It is. How was your haircut?
The barber taught me, my hair, not me hair.
And I learned these flowers, not this flowers.
We learn grammar everywhere.
The whole city is our classroom.
Everybody is our teacher.
See? You used it right.
I'm getting better.
We both are. Another coffee?
Yes, everybody is drinking coffee today, including us. Hi, I want to rent a bicycle for 1 hour.
Sure. We have city bikes and mountain bikes.
City bike, please. Just for the park.
Good choice. Do you need a helmet?
Should I to wear a helmet?
Should I wear? No to after should.
Should I wear? Not should I to wear?
Right. Should, could, would, must. No to after any of them.
Should I wear a helmet? Could I ride faster? Must I return on time?
All correct. No to needed.
Okay. Should I wear a helmet in the park?
It's not required, but it's safer.
I'll take one. Safety first.
Smart. One city bike, one helmet. $8 for 1 hour.
Here. When should I bring it back?
By 3 o'clock. Return it right here.
Should I lock it when I stop?
Yes. There's a lock on the back wheel.
Should I wear? Should I lock? Should I return? No to.
Enjoy your ride.
Hi, I am wanting a discount on this dress.
I want a discount, not I am wanting.
I want, not I am wanting?
Want is a state verb. It doesn't use ing normally.
State verb? What's that?
Verbs about feelings or states. Want, like love, know, need.
So I can't say I am liking or I am knowing.
Correct. I like it. I know. I want it. No ing.
I want a discount. I like this dress. I need a smaller size.
All perfect. And yes, this dress is 20% off.
20%? That's great.
The original price is $60. Now it's $48.
I want it. See? No ing.
You're a fast learner.
Is this the only color?
We have red, blue, and black.
I want the red one. I love red.
I love, not I am loving. You got it.
State verbs. Want, like, love. My new rule. Can I try these shoes in size 38?
Here you go. Try them on.
These shoes are small too.
These shoes are too small. Too goes before the word.
Too small? Not small too?
In English, too comes first. Too big, too small, too expensive.
Too before the word. I always put it at the end.
Many people do. But now you know.
These are too small. Do you have size 39?
Let me check. Here.
Oh, these feel better. Not too tight.
How are the heels?
Not too high. Perfect.
And the color? Is it okay?
The brown is nice. Not too dark, not too light.
You used too 4 times. All correct.
Too small, too tight, too high, too dark. I love this word now.
These shoes are $45.
Not too expensive. I'll take them.
5 times. You're the 2 champion.
Hi, 2 tickets, please. We will watch a movie now. You can say will, but going to sounds better for plans. Going to? Why is it better? Going to is for things you already planned. Will is for quick decisions. We planned this yesterday. So going to sounds more natural? Exactly. We are going to watch a movie. You decided before. And will? Will is for right now. Oh, I'll have popcorn. That's a new decision. So, we are going to watch a movie. But I will buy popcorn because I just decided. That's a perfect example. Which movie do you recommend? The Last Summer. Very funny. Starts at 5:30. We are going to watch The Last Summer. 2 tickets, row F, $18. Here. My wife is going to love this. Going to again. Correct. Is she going to be surprised? Is this a surprise date? Yes. She thinks we're going to the park. She's going to be very happy. Enjoy the movie.
Okay, grammar quiz. Ready?
Ready. You first.
I am waiting in the bus stop.
At the bus stop, not in.
This box is very heavily.
Very heavy. Heavy for things. Heavily for actions.
How many is the ticket?
How much? Much for prices.
Cut me hair shorter.
Cut my hair. My, not me.
I want this flowers.
These flowers. These for many.
My turn to ask. Everybody are busy?
Everybody is busy. Always is.
Should I to wear a helmet?
Should I wear? No to after should.
I am wanting a discount.
I want. No ing with state verbs.
These shoes are small too.
Too small. Too goes first.
We will watch a movie? When you planned it yesterday?
We are going to watch. Going to for plans.
Mark, you got every single one right.
10 mistakes this morning. 0 tonight.
The whole city taught us today.
The vendor, the barber, the florist, the worker at the cinema.
Everyone was a teacher.
Everybody is a teacher. Is, not are.
Even at home, you don't stop.
Never. Tomorrow, we learn 10 more.